Oh no, this is wet.
There's a werewolf up there. Alright, I'm at the Holy Boulders with Beetle Boy, also known as Beetle Bitch, also known as Aaron Allred. That's not his real name. And it's really fucking cold. And we're gonna climb here for like 3 to 4 days. And we might die tonight sleeping in the cold. But we'll be fine, maybe. Yeah, we're here to climb rocks. I don't know really what we're gonna do. Hopefully get a lot of like 6s and 7s. Maybe if we're lucky, an 8. It's kind of sandbag, so we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna go get to the rocks first. Aaron, do you have anything you want to say for the audience? Anything for any of your viewers back home?
It's cold as shit.
Escape the Matrix.
Yeah.
Here's the app splitter, Aaron.
Oh no, this is wet.
Is it really?
Cold, wet, yeah.
Wait, actually wet?
The brush
Or
is
like,
wet.
oh, the brush. We're not doing this problem, at least not right now. It's called bubble wrap. It's like the most sandbag piece of shit here. That's how we communicate. Use primal animalistic calls. Orf, orf. Orf. He didn't hear my communication messages. We're gonna make sure he's not eaten by a bear. He's found his arch nemesis, the worm's way. He's eyeing it up. He's going to hopefully do it.
Smile felt so easy though. That was like nuts. I think I just came back with technique.
He did the smile boulder over there. It's a one move wonder. Very hard though. He's much stronger than me if you guys haven't figured out yet. He climbs like V10. So hopefully he will do a V10 or a V9, V11, V12. We'll see. My goal is just do 6s and 7s, but we're really just here to have fun. I need more 6, 7s under my belt and 8s. I don't expect to do an 8 though.
You can do a 9.
I could maybe do V8 at a trip, probably not. Not here, maybe. V9 would be very unlikely. There's not a lot of 9s to pick from here either, but we're at the Shallow Man Boulder. It's like the most classic. I'm just gonna dick around this. I haven't done it because I'm a fucking loser. So.
Careful, you'll fall.
But you can see, search down there.
Somebody fucking put a chicken foot.
A chicken foot?
Do you see it?
What do you mean, like a real chicken foot?
No, like the chalk.
Oh.
It's in the shape of a chicken foot.
Oh yeah. Wonder why they did that.
Yeah, somebody taped the chicken foot on the rock.
I don't know. It's holy, bro. Spooky stuff.
Is it?
All right, let's do some climbing actually. The feet and the hands just feel like I can't get anything out of them. I'm not even getting up to like that crimp, which is where I was last time. I don't even know how to get up there anymore. I know I'm better as a climber and probably stronger. So I'm just not figuring something out, or maybe it's just like not sticking. I don't know. But I don't want to waste too much time on this thing. So Aaron's trying to stay warm because it's like so cold. It's like probably 30 degrees right now. Hello? I don't know if it's gonna stay on very long, but we moved from Shallow Man. We're not gonna try Calypso. I don't know why, but I feel like I can't grip anything. So I moved away from Shallow Man, so maybe we'll come back to it. But we're gonna try Calypso now. We'll turn some lights on, and hopefully my fingers are not feeling slippery. They feel just glossy. They don't feel slippery. I can get to the top of this. I think Aaron will get to the top of it if I don't, at least. So we'll have one send. Okay, we have it all lit up now. Aaron's actually done this one, so I think it's just me on it this time. Okay. Well,
Is the beta on this bitch?
I'm not gonna. We moved away from Calypso because it's too. I can't climb today. I look hilarious right now. I can't. What's this light? Can you see? Yeah, you probably see it too. It looks so funny. I look like Santa Claus. I can't climb. This guy can still. So he's just gonna climb. So maybe he'll send something because he's been sending already today. But I don't have any capabilities to climb right now because my skin doesn't work right now. So hopefully tomorrow that will be different, but for now we're gonna film this guy. So we're at Platypus and Narwhal. They're both V8s, both sandbagged just like everything else here, and maybe he will be able to get to the top of one of them or be both of them. Trying to isolate. You're gonna top it out? Okay.
And it's over right here.
It's dark, it's cold, it's scary, spooky, climbing rocks in the middle of nowhere, out in the boonies.
Dude!
Ooh, that was really solid.
How close? I just need higher?
Yeah, I think you're just a little bit off. Oh, doggy. That's my doggy, bro. That's my doggy.
Yeah, it's just like... Alright, rest and then...
From the bottom.
With the normal beta. Bro.
What happened?
My foot, it's like numb.
Daniel Woods getting ready to send beat 17. Oh yeah. So good.
Bro, I can't like.
Is
I
it
can't
not?
pull.
Have you been off the wall too long or something?
I don't know what's going on.
It's really fucking cold right now. It's like 25, maybe even 20 by now. I don't know. It's so cold. All right, we've moved over to Platypus. He knows his bait on narwhal. He wants to come back fresh in the daytime and try to put him down. So now he's gonna solve bait on this one. We're at a different problem already. My GoPro keeps cutting out because it's freezing cold.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's cold, so it keeps cutting out. But we're at the bubble wrap boulder now because Platypus is also just really hard. And we've honestly moved something that is a grade easier, but probably actually harder. So the thing, the opening move is like V10 on this thing, and then it turns into like actually V6. But there's also not some slopey bullshit top out on this one, which is nice. But the intro is just fucking
Nails.
The starting move is just atrocious. All right, he's just pulling on.
Oh, dude!
All right.
Did you see that?
Well, I mean, I'm recording. I would hope I saw it.
I think I can do it.
All right, he thinks
I have
he can do
newfound
it.
confidence. Oh no!
Well, that's first move.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, doggy. Oh yeah, dude.
Let's go!
Oh yeah. That's right, dude. Yeah. So good. Oh, that's a good spot. Aha! Aha! Yeah.
I hit that pinch right there. Got it so good.
That was sick, dude. Good job.
Thanks, man.
How do you feel?
That feels good.
Yeah? Was it V6? No? V7?
Yeah, it's hard. That first move I had to try like as hard as I could to pull off the ground. I like just had it in me to do.
Right on. Cool. That was sick,
I
dude.
got a little nervous when I got up here and I didn't have a headlamp and it was just pitch black and leaves.
Do you have anything to Max, Elliott, and Brendan Vale who have not done this route yet?
Do it when it's cold. It's a lot easier.
Are you better than them?
No.
Okay. This is like V12, so he's actually as good as Brendan now.
It's V6, but V12.
Yeah.
V6 at the Holies is V12.
I mean, damn near, bro. That's an impressive send right there. That was cool. All right, well, what's the send of that? I think we can call it for a night. We actually got on top of something. So we'll come back tomorrow. Maybe I can climb tomorrow if my skin feels good. If not, we'll get more footage of this man. Maybe we'll get a V10 instead.
I think I can get narwhal, but I do want to hop on Worm's Way. I was eyeballing that all today.
He wants to climb V10.
It's V9/10. It's not even V10.
Well, it's V10 here.
Okay.
V9 here, but really V10 everywhere else. Probably V11. So.
We could do the top out to it. Worm's End.
No.
You don't want to spot me on that?
No, we're not going to do that. That's bad. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.